action.
When I met Manjari Apte for the first time, I was literally at the end of my tether. I'd had a freak burns accident and I had been in the burns ICU for a month. After hospitalization and all of that, when I came home, my right hand just seized up. It was probably an injury that had happened during the burns accident, but it didn't show up through the month. As soon as I was home, it seized up. My right hand refused to move. And on the back of all the pain, all the hospitalization, I was really at the end of my patience. I did 3 weeks of physiotherapy and my hands barely moved like 2 inches and the pain persisted. I really thought that I was never going to get my right hand back. It was then that someone suggested that I go and meet Manjari, and they said, oh, she's into Sujok, she just does the seed therapy, she will put seeds on your hand and you'll feel better. And I laughed. I mean, it just seemed improbable, it just seemed impossible, but because I had nothing left to lose, I said, let me give this a chance. And I went to Manjari, and the first time I went to her, she put like 2 magnets on my fingers, and my hand for the first time like moved almost halfway up, and it was like a miracle. Of course, it took me almost 2 months of continuous treatment, Sujok treatment, for my hand to be completely fine, completely all right, for my movement to come back, for the pain to go away. But this was 2016 and we are now in 2022, and that right arm of mine has never ever given me pain again. I know that anyone I tell that this is how it happened, of course it just sounds too good to be true. I myself would never have believed it if I would have not gone through with it. And that is why we call Manjari our shaman, our magician. She is just a witch doctor, because Sujok really cured whatever that injury was, and I have never had trouble with that right hand again.